how to search for jobs on LinkedIn. This is what I'm going to tell you in this video. We all understand LinkedIn is a very professional social networking website, right? Now, this very professional social networking website can also be used to search for jobs or to search for your dream job. Very important pointers, very important video as well for job seekers. Now, my name is Sushmita and you're watching my YouTube channel Sushmita Madhu. I create lot of videos on job, career and startup business ideas. Now, if you want to learn anything about job, career, how to upgrade your career or how to start a business, then you must subscribe to my YouTube channel. There is a red color button on your screen. This one, click that red color button, subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Now one thing, this video is going to be a bit lengthy, but at the end of the video, I will give you that bonus tip or bonus point, very important point when you are using LinkedIn for searching for jobs. So watch this video till the end. One more thing, this is only the first part of the video. In this video, I'm only going to tell you how you can use LinkedIn for searching for jobs. In the second part, another video that I will be publishing in the next schedule. In that video, I will be explaining you what are the secrets or what are the tips and tricks that we can use on LinkedIn and how that can help building your very strong profile on LinkedIn. So this is only the first part. Watch the video till the end. So the very first point to search for jobs in LinkedIn is completeness of your profile. So I will share my screen and I will show you how you can make sure that your LinkedIn profile is complete and up to date. So when you logged into your LinkedIn account, you will see this screen. This screen is home feed. Now I will show you how you can edit your profile. Click on the name on the left hand side. Click on your name and then you will land up or you will come to this screen. Now this is my LinkedIn account. So I will show you how you can make sure your LinkedIn profile or LinkedIn account is showing all the information that is requested. Now this whole profile or your LinkedIn account profile has 8 sections. 8 sections. Now what are these 8 sections? I will show you, but make sure all these 8 sections are updated with relevant and correct information or genuine information. What are these 8 sections? Let us have a look now. If you click add profile section, you will see here all the 8 sections that I was talking about. Intro, about, featured, background, skills, accomplishments, additional information and supported languages. Now one more thing, after introduction there is you will also see some option called open to work. Click this open to work and save your details. I mean to say what is the job role you are looking for. You can also click this add title and you can write here digital. For example, I will type here trainer coach, something like that. I will type here trainer or business coach. Business consultant. So whatever designation, whatever roles you want to add to your profile, you can type down here. You can also select which area you want to get job or which area you are preferring for job. You can enter those things here and select all the details that are asked in this section and then click on save. So what will happen is only recruiters or people who are looking for looking to hire people, only they will see your details. So when you click on open to work, only recruiters will be able to see your profile or they will be able to see your details. This is very important for people who are searching jobs in LinkedIn. So next one is job recommendations. Now when you see your when you are on your home feed and you will see an option called jobs here. When you click on jobs, this screen will open up. In this screen you will see an option called recommended for you. I expect or I assume by this point you have already completed your LinkedIn profile. Now, whatever in LinkedIn profile, whatever skills, whatever experience, whatever expertise you have entered in your or filled your LinkedIn profile with, on those basis, LinkedIn will recommend some jobs, open position or vacant jobs for you in this screen. Now you can see all the job openings that LinkedIn has felt that matches with my expertise or my skill set has been recommended to me here. Now if I want to apply for these jobs, what I need to do is click on this jobs option and you will land to this screen. Here choose whichever company you want to apply for. For example, I will choose this option, this company or this position. I will click on this thing. This screen opens up. Understand what is the job role. You will see the job description here. Understand what exactly they are looking for, what is the experience and what are the skill set they are looking for this company. After reading each and everything, if you feel that this job role is suitable for you or you should apply for this job role, then click on this blue color button. When you click on apply, then it will ask you, do you want to increase your chances of being viewed? Share your full profile with the job poster. When you click on apply, yes, adjust setting anytime in, okay. When I click on continue, my profile will be sent to that company or the recruitment company who are doing all the hiring and things like that. Sometimes what happens is when you click on apply, they will also take you to their careers page, like how we have landed to this career page, and again the same details are posted. The job description is posted here also. You can also have another look into the job description here and then only click on apply now. It may also ask you to register in this company with your email ID or phone number. After registering, you can apply now. You can upload your resume in this company. So this is also one way of applying for job. How you landed to this page, you have selected or you have choose the company that was recommended by LinkedIn depending on your skills and expertise. Now doing a manual job search. When you are on your LinkedIn profile, click on this jobs icon again. Here you will see a big search option, search for your next job. Now you can type here, I mean to say, if you are looking for software engineer job, you can type here software engineer or software designation, whatever job role you are searching for, you can type down that designation or that skill set here, and at the same time you also have to select where do you want to look for this job, this kind of job. So I will do a search once again. I will type here software testing. Let me take software testing and instead of India I will type here Hyderabad. When I click on search, all the software testing jobs that are posted for Hyderabad location will be shown up here. Now again, you have done a manual search, job search in this screen. Now depending on which company or what is the job description, after understanding all these things only you have to apply. Again, when you click on apply, two things can happen. When you click on apply, they can redirect us to the company's, that particular company's career page, or else second situation is LinkedIn will use your profile or your resume, the resume that you have uploaded in your LinkedIn profile. That resume can be sent to the recruiter. This is the second situation. First situation is when you click on apply, you will be redirected to the company's career page. Second situation is LinkedIn profile will be sent to the recruiter that this person has submitted to applied for your job. So any one from these two situations can happen. So depending on your understanding of job description, you have to apply for the job role. One more thing, you can also use, there are so many filters here, you can use these filters also to filter out more for this particular job. Now you can also see here, this job was posted 3 weeks ago and only 3 people have viewed this job. You can also select a filter, when do you want a job postings, last 1 month, last week, last 24 hours. You can use these filters and you can filter out things. How much experience level you are into, you are entry level, mid senior or director, which level you are into, you can also use those filters. So I have used here level 1. So level 1 I can say fresher or a very new candidate. So all these results are, all these companies are looking for fresher candidates, so you can definitely check into their job descriptions. Company, what is the company, the name of the companies are also listed here. Job type, is it a full-time contract or internship? You can also search for internship from this filter, using this filter. So this company is looking for internship also, you can check that also. All the when you click on all filters, you can choose, you have to go through all these filters and you have to understand which filter will help you to find out the right job or the right internship program. So this is how you will be manually searching for jobs in LinkedIn. You have to be very active on LinkedIn. Install the LinkedIn mobile app, and how you are active on Facebook, how you check your Instagram updates, your YouTube updates in the same way. Make sure you are also checking your updates on your LinkedIn. When you are active on LinkedIn, you will not miss any message from the recruiter, and also you will get more and more connection requests. You will grow your connection, at the same time you will not miss any job opportunity. Now the bonus point is, before creating your LinkedIn, I assume that you would have already created your resume. If you have not created your resume, check this video of mine. There I have shared how you can create a resume. I have also shared samples resume in this video, so check that video. Now if your resume is complete and ready, then check all the details that you have posted or you have added on your resume. The details on your resume and the details in your LinkedIn account, both should be matching and same. It should not that on your resume you are mentioning something else, some other skills, and on your LinkedIn account some other skills. Both the skills, both the information, college, degree, school, skill, expertise, experience, work experience, everything should be same. Resume and your LinkedIn profile. Consider your LinkedIn profile as your virtual resume only. So this is the bonus tip. In my next video, I will guide you I will show you the secrets or the tricks and techniques that you can use to upgrade or to make sure your profile stand out of the crowd. So that is what I will be explaining in the part 2 LinkedIn video. So that is all about this video. If you like this video, share this video, click the like button, share this video, and comment below also what you think about this video. And thank you so much. Namaste.